Hello, and thank you so much for joining me again today for episode 3. Now, I bought all of these things even before I paid for the Defender. I've been buying things up since Christmas, trying to get things on deals, and I've been eager to open these up since I picked up the Defender. But I thought, why don't I do a stage 1 unboxing of the mods for our summer trip? So here we are. It's going to be quick. I've got everything here. I've got more things in the flat, too heavy to lift out to bring downstairs. So what I'll do next is I'll put all of these things where I think they should go, and then we'll do a quick walk around, unboxing, and telling you what goes where and what the plan is for stage 1 modification for the overlanding trip in summer. Let's do this. So starting with this, I've got actual Santorini black. It's primer, lacquer, and of course Santorini black paint, spray gun. The plan for this is basically to respray this and that and the other one in the body color, give it some sort of nice Santorini black look going on there. That's that. Here I've got white pack headlight with white pack bulbs. These are not really that great, so I'm going to upgrade to original white pack ones, XS style type of light, brighter when driving in the dark. Moving on, I've got here a bumper. This is one of the first, I think the second thing I bought for this car, because this is the original one and these things really come up. So once it came up, I went for it. So that's that. And of course, this will need some restoration. I've got T-cut bumper to restore that. Moving on, what do we have here? Oh, this is exciting. So these are white pack lights going here for that. Exciting. I've got a couple of them. Then some light upgrades all around. So these go here and also replace the ones at the back as well. Then at the back, I'm going to replace the fog lights with these. Solid. And I've got a plan maybe to replace actually all of the lights in the back with these bigger ones. I haven't decided yet, but that's a plan I have. That's that. Moving on. Got some spacers here. Of course, spacers going on the wheels. And actually for the tires, my plan is, let's do a quick tour over there. Come with me. What do you think about getting these tires off and putting these KM3 BFG tires on the Defender? Take them off the series, and this is still brand new. They've only done about 50 miles, nothing major. So that's the plan for that, with the spacers on, wider stance, looking solid, looking sexy. Okay, let's go to the top. On top here, I've got snow crawls, one for here, one for there. Makes it look much more beefier. Now, I'm very excited about this one. This really is just some guys chatting through. I'm just gonna wait for them to finish talking, and then we'll get going. They finished talking. Cool. And there's a dog backing as well. Dog can keep backing, that's fine. Right, back to this. Got some lights. Now, these are strand lights. These guys are doing incredible things. I've been watching them for a while. It's just incredible. My plan for this, these are cube lights. So these, one will go here, the other one will go over there. And then I've got a couple of more lights around. I've got some more lights in here. The lights on this car, this is gonna be one of my most proudest things on this car. And also, I learned this from the guys in the US. I don't think we do it enough in the UK. These, I can't remember what it's called now. They basically control your lights for you. Rather than having to wire lights into your cabin all the time, just wire this into your cabin, connect it to your battery, and just wire the lights into this. Simple setup, less wires hanging around everywhere. What do we have here? Okay, this is more interior. Seat raisers. I am very tall, 6'4.5". My girlfriend is tall too, so we need seat raisers. Because in our Defender 90, it was too cramped. So glad we can have some seat raisers. Got some security nuts as well. We live in London. Tires get stolen, so security nuts are going on the tires as well. That's that. Moving on. What do we have here? Okay. As said previously, one of the things I love about this Defender is the chassis. It's in excellent condition, but I need to keep it that way. So I've got some chassis treatment to apply to the chassis, this lot and these later. What do we have here? Right, these ones are just really good. They're just all around good. These are wind deflectors. They go on here and on here, and they look incredible on the Defender. I had it on the 90, love them. Got some for these too. Also, actually, I should say, it's not here because it's too heavy to bring downstairs. I've got side steps, fire and ice style side steps. They go on here. Imagine they're here, but they're not here, but they're here. Cool. Where else are we? Coming to the back. We've got rear ladder, which goes on here. Exciting. One more thing that isn't here, that's been delivered tomorrow, is roof rack. I managed to get an amazing deal on a Hannibal roof rack. And if you know overlanding expedition really well, you know Hannibal roof racks are really one of the best alongside Front Runner. So that's the exterior. Let's do the interior very quickly and then we're done. Interior. First things first, and let's get these. You can't see them right now. These are the original Land Rover mats that go in here and over there. They're great. Everyone needs them. Good. What else do we have? Now this, trust me, everyone needs this in their life. This is an armrest. When you're doing those long distance journey, you just need to put your arm somewhere. This fits into here. Boom. Solid. Mud stuff. Great stuff. That's that. I got two of those. One for Anna, one for me, or whenever we're swapping driving. And of course, I love wearing my hat, but I thought, hey, now that I'm Land Rover Lex again, why not get a Land Rover hat? So I got myself a new Land Rover hat. And here we go. Solid. I'm joking. There you go. Close up. So I'll leave that on for now. That's that. Inside. What more do we have here? Oh yeah, we've got some more security. Check this out. So I probably won't work the way I need it to work, just for decoration. It looks great. Protection behind there. That's what that's for. I've got a couple of them, small and big, all in there. And that's pretty much it. It feels less than what I had in mind now. But this is sort of the first stage of that. Once the roof rack has been delivered and all of these things have been fitted, and then I'll start doing more in terms of, buying the box on top. We think about roof tent, we think about water and things like that. One thing I actually just did recently, which I'm really pleased with, I'm not sure if it can show properly, is if you look in there, you will see the Type C chargers. I got them installed here and here. So when we're both traveling, sorry about the lighting, when we're both traveling and we just charge our phones without having to wait for each other, do that in there. I got that from, I think it's a LR Center, Land Rover Center. That is it. Now I can go away and start doing this. I've been waiting to do this video first before I start tinkering with it. Thanks for joining me. Like I said, we're doing our summer expedition, hopefully this August. France, Spain, Portugal, Morocco. Please, please, please follow the journey and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.